Tomatoes?
Ooh.
Smells like medicine.
Oh, look at that. That's cool.
Nice.
It's kind of Star Wars-y, futuristic looking.
Can I see it?
Should I be scared?
They're really good.
Oh, those are really soft. I like it. So this is the potato bread?
Yes, that's it. Cheers. We were supposed to say cheers?
Cheers. How are you? What's up, baby? You ready for another wonderful day?
Oh, yeah.
Good morning. Come on out. That's hilarious. She has never used this box before until we put the baby chickens out here. All right, food's coming outside. Let's go.
Tomatoes? Would you like to try one?
She's so fat.
Look how ripe these are. So red and
Hey girls, come here. We got a new toy.
Really? What is it? Yay!
Come see.
You're gonna dunk your tomato muff in your house. Me too.
Ow.
Yeah,
Hey guys, in this episode we install a new security camera, and when we did the recording for the security camera I read this upside down and made a little mistake because that letter right there is actually an E, but my brain saw it as a Q because it was upside down. So this security camera is from ieGeek, not ieGeek. Ignore the whole ieGeek. I'm going to say it through the rest of the video. This is from ieGeek. Thanks again, ieGeek, for sending it to us. We've got some pretty good video and pictures from it, but I made a little mistake when I introduced it. Just wanted to clear that up. Enjoy the rest of the video. So, today the people at ieGeek have sent us a 4G LTE cellular battery security camera.
Oh, nice. Where are you going to put it?
We got a couple ideas on where we're going to put it, but for you guys at home, you know, it doesn't matter what you've got to protect your home, whether you use a stabby, a pew, or, you know, Lucille's second cousin. It's hard to keep your house safe if you don't know it's in danger, and that's where security cameras come into play. We down here have issues with security cameras because we have low Wi-Fi. It's hard to get a signal beyond the porch. And the people at ieGeek have said that this camera is specifically designed for areas like this, farms, rural areas where there's low to no Wi-Fi. So we're going to unbox it, get it set up. We're going to set it up in a couple of spots to see if it actually works well. I'll try and break into the house later, and you guys can try and stop me or catch me.
Oh, yeah.
Catch me if you can. Are you ready?
There aren't very many entrances to the house. We'll catch you.
Good luck. All right, let's get it open.
There's 3.
Ooh, instructions and a warranty activation card. Nice.
I want the card.
Here we go. You
It
ready?
looks like a credit card.
Dun dun dun.
I love foam.
What's that? I think that's the security or the solar panel. Rather, not the security. This is the security camera right here. Let's check this thing out. Ooh, and there's all our hardware. Nice.
Look at how beautiful this is.
I like the foam packaging. Oh, and those are layout stickers for your anchor bolts. So if you're going to permanently anchor it to a wall. Hopefully they have some other mounting options, because a couple of the shots I want to get, there's really nowhere to permanently mount it. So we'll have to see. Ooh.
It smells like medicine.
Ooh, look at that. That's cool.
Nice.
It's kind of Star Wars-y, futuristic looking.
Can I see it? Wait,
Got lights.
it looks like one of those regular ones in movies.
So it's got 4 spotlights and 1 camera, and I believe that's the sensor. Now, I will be giving you some information during setup on how the sensor works. But for now, let's get this sticker off of here. And the plastic off the sensor, if I have any fingernails left. There we go. And there you have it. The ieGeek S11 security camera.
With stickers.
With stickers and a solar panel. That's nice. All right, so what we need to do now is decide where we're going to put it up first. And they give us 1 anchor.
And glove.
And a glove. We don't need a glove. What's this? Ah, this is the second anchor. This is the one that's on the swivel head. Okay, don't put your nose on the sensor. All right, let's go get this set up, girls. We're over here at the garden gate. Ideally, when you mount this thing, you want it to be between 7 and 10 feet high so that the sensor can detect people. For our little test here, we're just going to temporarily put it up, and it's going to be about 6 feet high. That's not too bad. This side, we're going to put up the bracket for the solar panel. Now this is just going to be temporary, so we're just going to do 2 screws in the top of the bracket. They do give you the template for the screws if you have to drill holes, but we're just pushing right into the wood. Tighten it from the back.
No, I tighten it from the front. You're too short. You're too long.
Too tall. Tighten that to get the right angle so we catch the sun.
Okay.
For now, we're just gonna hang our wire up here on these. Let's take this, turn it over.
Aww.
We're gonna have our little bunny ears going straight up.
They're not bunny ears, they're stick legs.
Whatever. All right, that's in place. Now we connect our solar panel.
Antenna. You don't have to say antenna.
All right.
Beautiful.
We doop-dooped. Did it connect?
Yep.
Oh my God, it works over here. That's awesome. We got it going. Oh.
We got a picture.
We got a picture.
We got a few pictures. There's Violet.
Motion detection.
There's you and me. Go ahead and sit down. I'll bring them over. Cái này của ai rồi? Cái này của Daddy nè. Của chị Hai. Here you go, Father. No. No, go again. Try it again. Dạ con thích mấy cái này nữa.
Con thích ok, đừng lo.
Dạ mì tươi luôn.
Mì tươi đi không có bán. Mì tươi là của bà ngoại ta đi hồi trước gửi á. Mẹ cũng thích cái đó, bởi vì mẹ nói mẹ thích cái bà ngoại ta đi gửi đó.
Mì tươi để.
Là mì mà nó tươi.
Đây là mì tươi.
These noodles are a pain.
But they're tasty.
It's very long.
Mm-hmm.
See. Oh, this one.
Yeah, that's what keeps happening to me.
And
We've had the ieGeek camera up over there for about a day and a half now, and it's time to relocate it. We did manage to get some pictures and a little bit of video, but we are in one of those areas where there is no signal. We're on the side of a mountain, and we don't have any G's here. They could make 10 G's, and we ain't going to get a single one here. So the video is not running great. You can get a better plan by subscribing to one of their monthly or yearly plans, and that gives you a lot of extra stuff. So ieGeek has 3 different subscription plans, the basic, standard, and plus. So if you're looking for some extra cloud storage or some better signal strength wherever you live, each one has got other improvements like AI analysis and message alerts. I was getting lots of alerts on my phone, so many I had to turn it off. I didn't need to be notified every time Bamboo walked into the garden. But I encourage you, if you need a security system, you should take a look at the ieGeek camera collection. What we're going to do now is we're going to move the camera to where we're going to permanently install it on the wall over here and let it be. Yep. Then we'll know if anyone comes and tries to break in. We may not have great live video, but it does take pictures of every time it detects movement. And it got me while I was resetting the camera this morning. I look great.
Yeah. Yes.
So even if you don't have the live feed, if someone comes in when you're not there, at least you'll have a picture of who it was.
In this case.
A beautiful mugshot. All right, let's get the camera moved. You can take it up, set it on the table. There we go, the ieGeek S11 The 4G LTE battery camera is all set up in its permanent home, and we're good to go. We're going to leave it there and move on with our lives to the next thing. The next thing's muffins. You ready to make some muffins?
Actually, I always have a camera for.
You want to try the camera? Try and get a good picture of yourself?
Look at those tadpoles. They're so huge. Oh my god. Did you see those ones? Did you see those?
No.
Dad, you should have looked.
Okay, freeze.
Man.
Freeze.
Now excessive movement. What are these people?
Is that excessive enough? How's that? Is that good?
Okay.
Excessive.
Go
It was excessive.
Out of frame.
Out of frame. Out of frame.
You should have seen those little frogs.
Excessive movement. Where were the frogs?
Well, we got you bolting out.
I can see you. No, get away.
Okay, jump up out of the bushes. Well, it got you guys in the bush.
Oh, good. That's good. So it saw the intruders in the bush. Now that we've got the camera set up, what we're going to do next is dig into some dirt and harvest the potatoes, because as you can see, the potatoes are ready. Once we're done, we're going to go through, clear out this dirt, and plant corn here, because we didn't have enough time in the winter to get the dirt in the main bed really good. So the corn in there is like this tall and already trying to flower. It's not going to do well this year. So we're just going to clear it all out, try and remove this grass and all the roots for that through the spring, or through the fall rather, and then replant that next year. So this will become our new corn bed after we're done clearing all the potatoes out. So we ready to get some potatoes?
Yep.
You excited?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, let's get started. Oh, nice. I feel some more in there. Oh, that feels like a big one. Ah, there we go.
You sure about all?
Oh, purple. Start to get it. You're gonna eat it.
I am gonna eat it.
Oh, nice.
This one looks like a
Ooh.
heart.
This one looks like a meteor. Yeah.
How do you know if it was poisonous?
All right, there we're done. That's our yield for our little 4x8 potato bed, which is actually pretty good. It was more than I expected. The red ones did good. We need to plant more of these next year. But we're going to take these and we're going to give some to Lily's best friend and her parents because they like potatoes. And Pat and Lulu, will give them a few because we got a lot of purple potatoes. And I think purple is Pat's favorite color. So we're going to give him some purple potatoes. That should be good. I can go back to my sitting down.
You're playing Minecraft. Yes. Perfect. Very good. I got you some beer. This is actually tea.
Ooh, nice.
And some muffins, all for me.
Why all for you?
She got you some muffins, but they're all for her.
Yeah. I got you muffins that are all for me.
Here, you get one of those pale ones, and you get one of those tan ones.
Ooh, are they different?
Yeah.
How are they different?
Color.
Oh,
And
oh, I know. How silly of me.
oh, this one was.
That one?
Yeah, a tan one. Everyone gets.
These are really good. Next time we'll have to make them bigger.
We don't have any bigger muffin pans.
We can get one for like mega muffins.
Oh, there's more. Where does it come from?
Like that. Should I be scared?
Probably.
Am I gonna need to wear my hat?
You always wear your hat.
Never cut children's hair.
I'm nice
They'll
to
cry.
children.
They'll cry.
No. You know, I really wish you would like grow your hair out really long so I could like do more with it. Like I could give you bangs.
What? It wasn't long enough.
No, it needs to be like at least shoulder length.
Oh my God! I have to have shoulder length hair to have bangs.
French fries? They're really good. Yeah, I thought that was a banana peel.
We already got
Bacon.
Yeah, just sitting over there.
Ooh.
Try it.
How many are there? 5.
She takes 3.
Hey,
The big
hey.
3. Oh,
It's good.
those came out good.
Yeah, very crunchy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So sad, yeah. Woohoo. But let's
We
as
need
good
to get
too.
more of them potatoes next year.
Oh, okay. Hold it up. Okay.
Good. Okay. I missed it.
Touch.
You've had more than me.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have. Ooh, those are really soft. I like it. So this is the potato bread?
Yes, that's it.
Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh, and it smells great. I might have 2.
I might have 5.
You need a knife. Let's start with some lettuce.
Home roll potato.
Homegrown
Homemade.
lettuce.
Yeah.
Homegrown. Not tomato.
Yeah. Soon.
Soon tomatoes,
Yeah.
yes, but not yet.
Push it down.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Cheers. We were supposed to say cheers?
Cheers.
Just the married people.
I really like the medicine.
That's awesome.
I love the bread. Very soft.
The bacon goes
It
good
is.
with it.
We need to get some lunch meat. Like sandwiches to take to work.
That is so good.
Good food, good life.
Lunch tomorrow.